Are you ready to stop just using digital tools and start commanding them? Welcome to Dynamics 365 Administration, the complete layman's engine room guide designed to empower your career with no complex code required. This video course is your Citizen Developer Accelerator, showing you how to tune your business logic, secure your critical organization data, and deeply connect your entire Microsoft 365 ecosystem. Ready for the cockpit? You'll master core concepts, learn to migrate to the Power Platform command post, reduce maintenance costs, and even unlock advanced PCF controls. Unlock the engine room. Watch the full course right now and arrive at your final destination, a skilled Dynamics 365 administrator. Welcome to your layman's guide for opening the hood of Dynamics 365. While users interact with clean data screens and manage relationships on the surface, behind the scenes lies a complex infrastructure. Think of it like a high-performance luxury car. Users are the drivers, but administrators must tune the engine, set the GPS, and manage the keys. This vital work is no longer just for IT, but for power users and managers too. We are witnessing an evolution of control, migrating from historical, steep learning curve classic views to the modern blended unified interface. Controls are shifting away from legacy advanced settings towards the Power Platform Admin Center. Our guide walks us through the essential settings domains, covering product behavior, securing the system through users and permissions, defining business parameters like calendars, and auditing for performance history. Finally, we must standardize communications via templates, connect systems through integration, and keep records healthy using data management tools. Fine-tuning your Dynamics 365 personality means diving into product and business settings. Think of product settings as shaping daily system behavior. These choices have a massive impact. You're managing critical items like autosave to prevent data loss, setting precise formatting for names and currencies, toggling visual indicators to launch workflows instantly, and enabling advanced features like AI and Relevance Search. Moving over to business logic, we establish the core operational rules. This includes configuring your unique fiscal year to drive financial reporting and defining business closures, like holidays and company-specific dates, to keep scheduling seamless. Finally, we handle complex operations with global currencies, remember to update rates manually, and organize high-volume workloads using standard or private queues for cases, tasks, and emails. Opening the hood of Dynamics 365 brings us to its digital security guard, user and permission management. We secure the machine by mirroring your physical company structure using business units, or BUs. Think of BUs as secure data containers that keep sensitive info, like HR records, separated. For simplicity, we use teams to manage security for groups of users, not individuals. This is where security roles come in, the cornerstone of the whole model. They define both the what level of permission you have and the crucial concept of depth. That depth scale progresses from seeing only your records at the user level, to your department's BU level, to subdepartments, and finally to seeing everything at the organization level. Finally, administrators use two essential tools, auditing and system jobs. Auditing is your accountability tool, a system trail that shows who did what and when. It's vital for drilling down, but you must find the balance, as too much auditing affects performance and cost. Lastly, system jobs monitor background workflows and plugins, providing status indicators that facilitate fast troubleshooting. Together, these elements ensure your vast ecosystem remains both sophisticated and secure. Opening the hood of Dynamics 365 administration brings us to a central theme, connection and stewardship. Dynamics 365 sits at the center of your Microsoft 365 web, connected to essential tools like Outlook, SharePoint, and Excel. The critical duty of administration is to manage these connections and the data within them. We start by standardizing communication using templates. Administrators create pre-written email and document templates, automatically pulling in data like client names, ensuring a professional, consistent brand voice with just a few clicks. Integration is not automatic. Administrators must explicitly configure connection points. SharePoint acts as the robust document management system for PDFs and images associated with Dynamics records, while Outlook synchronizes emails, server profiles, and mailboxes to link essential communication directly to sales opportunities. Finally, we address data stewardship. A business application is only as good as its data. Administrators prioritize digital housekeeping, creating duplicate detection rules to warn against bad entries. Automated bulk deletion jobs periodically purge outdated leads, test records, and old logs to keep costs low and the database lean. Lastly, they configure auto-numbering with prefixes and suffixes for quotes and invoices, ensuring distinct, simplified tracking throughout the entire unified experience. Welcome to this non-techie guide for Dynamics 365 administration, bridging unified experiences with practical applications. Your new command post is the Power Platform Admin Center. Here you manage multiple environments like production and sandbox, view analytics for usage and data health, deploy portals, and crucially, manage backups and restores. Remember, always trigger a manual backup before major updates. The mandatory shift to the unified experience is unlocked. It provides a cohesive, modern view and robust extensions for easier maintenance. If you haven't yet, plan this transition now. Let's look at a practical scenario, tracking product feedback. Step 1. The admin uses users plus permissions to create a new, distinct security role, like Product Feedback Administrator. Step 2. Define permissions. We grant full organization access, CRUD, for the product feedback entity, but only read-only access for the main product entity to prevent accidental changes. Step 3. Assign the user. Find the right employee, select Manage Roles, check the new box, and click OK. This simple workflow demonstrates the core pillars of security, structure, and operational necessity. We've opened the digital hood. From defining behavior and setting company parameters to enforcing security and acting as data stewards, administration is the powerful machinery keeping modern business running. Because this platform evolves fast, continuous learning is essential for every citizen developer. Welcome to the final wrap-up of our Dynamics 365 Engine Room Guide. Over this course, we've opened the digital hood to master the multifaceted discipline of administration. We began by tuning the business engine, defining the system's unique personality through crucial settings and standardized templates. Next, we secured the structure, building a robust hierarchy using business units, teams, and precise security roles to enforce organizational necessity. We then connected the broader ecosystem, prioritizing deep integrations with Microsoft 365 while practicing essential data stewardship to keep the engine clean and reduce costs. Finally, we migrated to the modern command post, the Power Platform Admin Center, proving our practical mastery in a real-world scenario. You are now equipped as a skilled, continuous learning administrator and citizen developer, ready to lead this rapidly evolving platform.